Do you want to know how you can log in to your First United Mortgage Bank account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your First United Mortgage account. So, go ahead and open the Chrome or Edge browser which is on your PC. Go to the Google search bar and search for First United Mortgage Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will lead you directly to the First United's official page. Now, on the right hand side, you can see your login ID and your password. You can choose the type of banking and then you can write down your user ID or your login ID and your password and then click login. This way you can successfully log into First United's mortgage account. These are some available accounts. You can choose from it and you can log into the account by going through the links. Different links have different types of login accounts or login systems, so you must look at it, choose your system or your bank account, and then you can log in. You can see that this is the payments inside your account, so you can go and you write down your username, click on remember my username, write down your password and hit login. So this was a video on how you can log into your First United's mortgage account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.